Hello and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be learning how to convert percentages into a fraction. These problems are very similar to turning fractions into decimals, so if you're unsure how to do that, go check out our previous videos. So as a general rule of thumb, whenever you deal with percentages, you want to take that value and put it over 100. So in part A, we have 25%. We simply take that number, we put it over 100, and we erase the percentage symbol. Now we have a fraction. All that's left to do is simplify. 25 and 100 share a common factor of 25, so we will divide the top and bottom by 25 over 25, and that simplifies to 1 over 4 as our final answer for part A. For part B, we do the exact same thing. We take 80%, we write it over 100, we erase the percentage symbol, and we simplify. 80 and 100 both share a common factor of 10, and we know that because they both have zeros, so we can cross those out. That gives us 8 over 10, and we can simplify this further, dividing the top and the bottom by 2 over 2, which simplifies to 4 over 5 as our final answer. Part C and D are going to be very similar to A and B, so take this time to pause the video and try them for yourself. For the solutions, part C is 66%. We will omit writing the percentage because we know we're going to erase it. We have 66 over 100. The next step is to simplify. They share a common factor of 2, so we will divide by 2 over 2, giving us 33 over 50. And the solution for part D will be exactly the same approach. We have 45 over 100. These numbers share a common factor of 5. Simplifying, that gives us 9 over 20. And that's our final answer. That's all we have for today. If you have any questions, you can always go back and check out how to turn a decimal into a fraction. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.